In today's video, we are going to discuss about the classification of resources on the basis of stock and distribution. On the basis of stock. Now, what is the meaning of stock here? It is the amount of resources available for use. So, based on that, natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources. Now you can see here some examples of renewable and non-renewable resources. Now renewable resources such as wind, hydropower, solar, biomass, all these are examples of renewable. Okay. Whereas non-renewable, oil, coal, nuclear, natural gas come under non-renewable resources. Now let us see the definition of renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Now, some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities. Yet, careless use of certain renewable resources like water, soil and forest can affect their stock. Okay, so we have to be very careful when we are using such resources. Examples of renewable resources are solar, wind energy, water, soil and forest. Now coming to non-renewable resources are those which have limited stock and they take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Examples of non-renewable are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Going to the next classification, on the basis of their distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. What are ubiquitous resources? Resources that are found everywhere are called ubiquitous resources. For example, air, trees, sunlight, water. These resources are found everywhere. Now, coming to the next classification, that is localized resources. Now, what are localized resources? Resources that are found only in certain places are localized resources. For example, copper and iron ore, are examples of localized resources. Now, the distribution of natural resources depends on number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Students, I have given 2 small activities. Please copy it in your books.